kids, and welcome to English Honeydew Unit 4 poem The Last Bargain, written by Rabindranath Tagore. It's the sixth part of this unit. In this unit, we are going to learn the figures of speech used in the poem The Last Bargain. Children, you all know poem means to create, and figures of speech add beauty to the poem. So, the figures of speech used in this poem are symbolism and alliteration. Symbolism means when an object or idea or person means something deep and not what the word means. So that means you don't have to go with the literal meaning. Instead, there's a deeper meaning to the word or the phrases. Stone paved road and the crooked lane. Now in these phrases, stone paved road means the hard and difficult path. The pavement road, which is made of stone, signifies the difficult path. Even the crooked lane, that is the twisted path, signifies the difficult path on which the poet was travelling on. King in his chariot with sword in his hand. It signifies epitome of power. Epitome means perfect example. An old man with a bag of gold signifies wealth and riches. A lady with a smile means beauty. Morning means hope and courage. Evening and dark signifies hopelessness. An alliteration is the repetition of consonant sound. Children, be careful, it is a sound in a line. For example, I was walking. Verse sound is repeated here. The king came. We have different alphabets K and C, but it is giving the same sound K. The sun glistened on the sand and the sea waves. Sir sound is repeated. Made me a free man. Mer sound is repeated here. Now figures of speech, let's see line wise of each stanza. Come and hire me, I cried while in the morning. K sound is repeated, so alliteration. Symbolism, because morning signifies hope and courage. I was walking on the stone paved road. Verse sound is repeated, so alliteration. Stone paved road signifies difficult time, difficult path, so it is symbolism. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. K sound, so alliteration. Sword in the hand of the king signifies power, so it is symbolism also. So children, the same line can have more than one figures of speech. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. Her sound, so alliteration. Again, a deeper meaning for power, so symbolism. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. Now, power counted for naught has got a deeper meaning, so it is symbolism. In stanza 2, in the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. Now, in the heat, that means the hot sunny day, the man was struggling. The doors were shut. So it has got a deeper meaning. So it is symbolism. I wandered along the crooked lane. The twisted path he traveled. So this is symbolism. An old man came out with his bag of gold, his riches. Symbolism. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. Verse sound is repeated, so alliteration. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. W, O, O, all are giving verse sound, so this is alliteration. It was evening. The garden hedge was all aflower. Again, it is symbolism, because evening has got a deeper meaning. The fair lady came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. Verse sound repeated, so alliteration. Smile has got a deeper meaning, symbolism. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. Dark means Symbolism. Dark has got a deeper meaning, that's why it is symbolism. Stanza 4. The sun glistened on the sand and the sea waves broke waywardly. Sir sound is repeated, so alliteration. A child sat playing with shells. Sir sound is repeated. And a child playing is the innocence. So it is symbolism. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. Her sound repeated, so alliteration. From henceforward, that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. Ma sound repeated, so alliteration. So children, homework for today is write figures of speech definition in notebook. You'll write again. Write figures of speech of poem The Last Bargain in notebook. Exactly how I have written. I know no need to color it with red ink. You can just underline the alliteration sounds.